Hey guys, we're going to do a package like fruit, like these here, strawberry, pineapple, and that's the thing. And this is oranges, fruity snacks. See? And we're going to open one, and I'm going to drink one.
Hold it over. We got a bowl.
Wait a second, guys.
Ooh.
Okay. You ready?
Does it taste like pineapple?
Not good. Not good.
No?
Not really good. Taste it, Molly. Taste it.
Ew.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try the strawberry. Oh, I forgot you. You like my Aspen shirt?
Oh my gosh.
That one's really Lincoln. Ugh, not good either.
No?
Taste it.
Okay, so what do you think these taste like?
I don't know what that tastes like, and I don't know what that tastes like.
Medicine?
Pretty close. These taste like medicine, and they're pretty close.
And they're messy.
Yeah, messy. Whenever you open them, they're pretty messy.
Is that one good?
I think they're all medicine. They're not good.
So we give it a thumbs up or thumbs down? Alright, tell them bye.
Bye, guys. I'll see you on the next channel. But there's going to be volcano. Okay? Bye.
Say stay tuned.
Stay tuned.